Good afternoon, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Today's trading session was marked by a significant sell-off led by pharmaceutical and IT shares following President Trump's announcement of potential 100% tariffs on branded and patented drugs. The Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex dropped 0.47%, with the pharma index being the biggest loser at 2.4%. The US imposition of a $100,000 fee for new H-1B visas is expected to increase costs for IT companies, adding to the sector's woes. Accenture's sluggish revenue outlook has further dampened investor confidence in IT stocks. Meanwhile, a proposed 100% levy on branded and patented drugs from the US has contributed to the pharmaceutical sector's downward trend. However, foreign funds may reinvest in Indian equities, spurred by crowded regional markets and potential US interest rate cuts, according to HSBC. The investment firm notes that the current overexposure of foreign funds in South Korea and Taiwan could reverse following any negative news on artificial intelligence, AI. Despite these setbacks, lower valuations, recovery in earnings, and a weak foreign fund positioning create an appealing landscape for Indian equities. Notable picks among Indian stocks include Marico, Trent, Mahindra & Mahindra, and HDFC Bank, as suggested by HSBC. In conclusion, escalating global trade tensions and domestic policy changes are causing significant volatility in both the IT and pharma sectors, potentially marking a shift in these indices' 3-week winning streak. But remember, these short-term fluctuations often provide long-term opportunities for savvy investors. Stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for more updates on this dynamic market landscape.